Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install or set up PostgreSQL Server 18 version on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, first verify whether PostgreSQL comes as the pre-installed application or not on Kali Linux. So open terminal, then verify psql version. See, we have the PostgreSQL 17 version. Okay, even if we can verify the status of the PostgreSQL server, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. For the password of sudo user, see PostgreSQL server is installed. If you want to use this pre-installed version, you can use, or if you want to install latest version, then uninstall the pre-installed version. Okay, so it is up to you. If you want to use this pre-installed version, just you need to start the service like sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. That's it. But in this video, I am going to show you how to install latest version. Open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See, the latest release at the time of making this video is PostgreSQL 18. So I am going to install this latest version. So I am going to uninstall this one. Sudo apt -purge, then remove, then PostgreSQL, then start. Hit enter. Type a confirmation. See, it is going to remove all these applications. Hit enter. See, it is removing PostgreSQL 17 version. Remove PostgreSQL directories, then packages purged. Select yes and hit enter. We have successfully uninstalled. Now verify the same. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, there is no service. Even if you run psql version, see we don't have anything. No, and hit enter. Now install PostgreSQL. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then see here we have the Debian, Red Hat, Ubuntu, SUSE and other Linux. More /etc os-please. See, side is like Debian. So select Debian. Then we have to run these commands one by one to install PostgreSQL Server 18. So copy these commands one by one and execute. See, both are already near versions. Now import repository sign-in key. Now create configuration file. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. See here the repository for pgdz doesn't have the release file. Okay, so this is the expected error. Here we have to give any one of these Debian code names. Okay, so copy this command one more time, paste it. So remove this $ from $ to this code name, then give Trixie. See, I just removed the $ version code name and I have given this Trixie because this is the latest version. Hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages again. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. See, this time we haven't received any error. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. Hit enter. See, now it is installing PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type a confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18, and also here the default values like max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and time zone. This is based on my Kali Linux system settings. Okay. Now I the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it and enable it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. Quit. Now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL. It's done. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is running and it is enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the version of the PostgreSQL server. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 18. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users that counts as PostgreSQL installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Alter all means we have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases \l. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Quit. Now create database. Create database. See, create database success. Now verify the same. See, we have created database and this is the one of the database. Quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or \connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table, then provide the name of the table. See, we have created table in public schema and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create a user. Create as I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current user and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the \q. Now psql-h. H means hostname. Then localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then provide the username. Then -d. Then -d means database name. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Now try to run query against the table that we have created in this database. That is customer. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, sudo systemctl stop. We can't stop or start with this PostgreSQL, so exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. Even you can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. psql. See, we are unable to connect. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service started. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbr. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbr on Kali Linux. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL servers 18 version on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.